All right, in this video, I'm going to go over multiple alleles and sex linked. So with multiple alleles, what we talked about was blood type, which is if I have A blood, I can be homozygous A or I can be heterozygous A. If I have B blood, I can be homozygous B or I can be heterozygous B. If I have AB blood, then that means I have one of each. So you'll notice that A and B are the dominant blood types. And if I have O, it is the recessive blood type. So let's look at a problem. Let's say that I've got someone that has AO blood marries someone that has AB blood. And I want to know what is the ratio of the offspring. So AO and AB. And guys, this right here, you've got to memorize. So it's not going to be given to you on your EOC, so it's not going to be given to you on this test. So you're going to cross this. And so the types of blood that you're going to get, you could get 25% have an A. No. I forgot both of these. 50% have an A. 25% have an AB. And then 25% have an B. So blood type problems are done based on this chart right here. So let's say, I'm going to do another one. I'm going to make this one a little bit trickier. Let's say that I had Susan, who has blood type, she has A blood. Her father had O. She marries John, and he has O blood. Okay. How many of the offspring will have A blood? Okay. I can't write today. All right. So first of all, one thing we know is John's blood type. John is O, so this is the only way to get O. What we don't know is Susan's blood type. It says that she's A. Well, is she AA or AO? Well, this is why you have this. It says that her father was O. So the only way that she could be A blood type with a father that had O is for this, because her father had to donate that O. All right, so there is Susan. So when I do this cross, how many of their offspring will have A blood? 2 of them, or 50%. Okay, the next type of problems were called sex-linked problems. And sex-linked dealt with color blindness, and hemophilia. Those were the common ones that I talked about. Color blindness is when you can't distinguish color. Hemophilia, you can't clot your blood. So we always have to use the X and Y chromosomes, because these, since it's a sex-linked trait, are on the X and Y chromosomes. So if the daughter is normal, she's got 2 big ends. If she's a carrier, she's got a big end and a small end. If the daughter is affected, she has both little ends. But for a male, he either doesn't have it or he does have it. So let's cross, and this again is something you've got to memorize. It's not going to be given to you. So let's cross a carrier female with a normal male. All right, so when I do that, here's my carrier female. X big N, X little n, and here's my normal male, X big N, Y. So here's the thing. If I want to know how many of their children, I look at all four squares and it would be 25%. If I asked you about, so this is children, if I asked you about boys, you cover up these and 1 out of 2 boys have it, so that would be 50%. So that's how you do sex link problems.